What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't seen the last video here on the channel, we actually went ahead and put in a new billet 20G into the Evo, and after tuning we ended up getting a lot of spark blowout, so I did end up ordering new coils. And if you guys are wondering and need coils for your car, go on eBay. We paid I think I paid $55 shipped to my door for 4 genuine Denso Toyota coils. For about 50 bucks, the Evo should be running in tip-top shape, and we should be able to max out this new turbo. I'm really excited because I've got a lot of races planned up that I have lost in the past, and I'm hoping with the new turbo I'll be able to win those races. So we're gonna put the new coils on, and then after that hopefully go out and do some racing and give Ben the gap. All right, so here are the new coils. Like I said, on eBay these were $55 shipped, and they're genuine Toyota. They're the 90911-02240s, and they should just bolt right on to the Evo and replace these Apex coils, which I'm not talking trash, but I've heard these are not the best quality, and these should be a lot better in the Evo. So new spark plugs, new coils, Evo should be running great. All right, so just to give you guys a little update on the Evo, we ended up putting the new coils in, and these are genuine Toyota parts, and we went to test them and we were getting spark blowout with less than 6 pounds of boost. So what we ended up doing is we went to stock coils and we're running those. We tested them just now and it's not breaking up, it's not having spark blowout, so we're gonna run these and see what kind of power we can make. We're gonna go out right now and tune the car and hopefully max out this turbo with these coils, and hopefully get another set of the eBay coils, or I'm just gonna go ahead and order a new set of coils with the plate from STM, because we tested Austin's off of his Evo 9. As you guys can see, he does have the STM, and he has the same coils as I do, and they worked on mine, and we didn't get any spark blowout. Gonna run the stock coils because Austin had some sitting around, and hopefully we'll be able to max out this turbo. Austin went ahead and wired the wideband into the ECU, so we'll actually be able to data log through the Evo scan, so that should make tuning a lot simpler. We got the new coils on, and we're gonna go tune. So let's go max out this turbo and see what it can do. What are we up at, what are we shooting for? 28?
Hopefully, yeah, hopefully 25 to 28.
I'm a little nervous, but excited. Alright guys, so we're reflashing the car now, and the wastegate duty cycle is at 100%. So we're gonna full send and see what this turbo can do. Third gear?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
That feels way faster, dude. The turbo is fully maxed out. We pulled almost 25 pounds and then it tapers off to about 22, but it feels so much better than the Evo 9 turbo, because the Evo 9 turbo was very torquey down low, but it kind of fell off near the top, whereas this one continuously pulls all the way to the top till red line. Ben, you're going down, and I can't wait to go and race the people that I've raced before to see if I can either beat them or come closer to winning. So excited. I've been waiting for weeks for the turbo to be maxed out, and we ended up putting Austin's stock coils onto the Evo, and now she's running great. No spark blowout, and it's running great. Evo is all done, and I am so excited. This car absolutely rips now. So I'm heading home, I'm gonna get some food, and then all the boys are meeting up with me tonight, and we're gonna go and race the Evo versus the AMG, Vance's Porsche. We've got a bunch of cool cars coming out tonight. So let's go grab some food and then go out and do some racing. We finally made it out. It's about 10 p.m. and we're gonna go race. The fastest car here is gonna be Jeremy and his Porsche. Look at this swole ass dude. If you guys want, go give this man a follow on Instagram. His Porsche is about 750 wheel. It's a 996 911 turbo, and it is stupid fast. We've got Jesse in the Skyline. We've got Donnie in his brand new BMW. We got Nate. Oh, Nate in the building, dude. Are you ready to get the gap today, boy, or what?
Oh, dude, I hope you beat it.
I do too. Hopefully the Evo can take some wins tonight, because I feel like every time I race, I always end up losing. So we've got a ton of cool cars out tonight. You guys have seen some of them on the channel. I've taken some L's from some of them before. But we've got Jeremy in his Porsche, we've got Nate in his AMG way back there. I'm in the Evo, obviously. We've got the Skyline, we've got a new BMW over there, Nikki's BMW in the back, we got the GTI, bunch of cool cars. Of course, Ben isn't here to take an L. because that's probably the race I'm most excited about, because Ben's Evo, he claims is gonna be faster, but we all know he's gonna lose.
Okay, we all know he's gonna walk the fuck out of Ben.
It's gonna, no, it's fine. It's gonna happen. If I lose to Ben again, I'm gonna be so upset.
You won't.
If you guys haven't, go follow Nate on Instagram, because he's got, oh, hold on, the AMG right there. If he takes an L tonight, I'd be really excited, but I still don't think the Evo's fast enough to give him an L. But let's go race and take some W's. Who's dropping money on this?
Fucking money wage nights. I'm in.
Oh, that's actually, bro, that's a lot of money, actually. I don't have that kind of money to spend, all right? Guys, we have a special appearance on the vlog. Dan the man, he races Miatas, and he actually ran over his foot with his Miata. If that's not a true race car driver, then I don't know what is. But if you guys want, go give this man a follow, because he absolutely shreds around the track. And then Donnie, this is his new BMW. Bro, what is this?
It's a 335, 2013.
Is it fast?
No.
Don't lie, dude. We know it's fast. It's a 6-speed manual, though. Which cars cool down right now, but dude, that was a lot closer than I thought it was gonna be, right?
That was a good race.
So I missed fourth. You guys probably saw I missed fourth, but we're gonna do some pulls on the way back, and we'll have to see. But Nate's car is super fast. It's 600 horsepower, and honestly, I didn't think the Evo was fast enough to actually even hang doors.
I'll say this: the only other like JDM car that I've raced was like 515 to the wheels. It was a WRX, a bug-eye.
Yeah.
And we held doors, and just like that.
Bro, if I don't miss fourth, hopefully, like, I don't want to beat it, but if we can even hang doors, that would be sick. So Evo's much faster than it was before, because I've actually raced Nate in previous videos. Letting the cars cool down, and then we're gonna go back out. Obviously Vance and his Porsche is much faster than all of us because it's 700 plus wheel. I'm super excited. Ben might come out tonight and I might be able to race the other silver Evo, which would be absolutely sick. guys, so I know it's a little bit dark, but I'm going to race Ben tonight. I thought it was gonna be in the next video, but he ended up coming out. Oh, I won't lie, I'm really nervous for this race. So we've raced before and he barely pulls on me. So we're gonna race again and see how it goes. Hey Ben, I have a gift for you.
You only got me in the second one.
I have a gift.
You still only got me in the second one.
No, the first, bro, I got you. At the end of 4th gear, I was past you. Yes, I was. Dude, I was half a car. Hey, who watched? I was half a car. Oh, I did. He already got it, bro.
Play the footage.
All right, guys, so I got a little worked up after that last race, and you guys probably don't understand why I handed this to Ben.
It was more than a little. He was.
I was a little upset because Ben didn't think that I won. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments below what you guys think and who you guys think won. But the first one, I personally think I won. He said he let off. That's for you guys to decide. We are gonna race again later this week because I wasn't even planning on racing Ben tonight, but he was able to get off work and come and race. So more content for you guys is coming. The explanation behind this is Ben thought it would be funny to give me a gap tool. So I held on to this until I got my new turbo tuned. And now that I beat him twice, I handed it back to him. So you guys probably didn't understand that reference. This is now yours, bro. Just, I mean, until this weekend. If this weekend you end up,
Oh, you're getting it back.
yeah, I mean, if I get it back, I get it back. But this is kind of our fun little rivalry. So Ben's Evo is honestly really fast, and that was a much closer race than I thought it was gonna be. I thought after this turbo I was probably gonna pull doors on him, but all right. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you go give Ben a follow on Instagram because he was a good sport about tonight. I was not. I got a little bit upset, a little bit salty, but it's okay. We're gonna do a rematch later this week. So like I said, go follow this guy on Instagram because we have very similar Evos, and yeah, his is fast. Mine's just a little bit faster. And then I also raced Nate. You guys saw that. He's definitely a little bit faster than me. I need a bigger turbo and a built motor and a new clutch and a lot of things before I will be able to beat Nate, but that is coming in the near future. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you guys want to see a rematch between Ben's Evo and my Evo because we've raced a bunch tonight. I don't want to push the car anymore. I'm a little sketched out. It's late and cops are out. So if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.